What's up, everybody? Welcome to Gray Rabbit Finance. I'm your host, Tyler, and today I'm going to be updating the Ichimoku Technical Analysis for BSV USD for the months of September to October 2024. Let's hop in. Okay, guys, here we are on the monthly chart, and I just want to thank you all for liking and subscribing. It really helps me and my family, so it's much appreciated. Thank you. So, guys, we have one out of the three Ichimoku trend signals on this chart. We have a gold cross here. And the next signal we're going to be looking for is this yellow line. It's called the Chico span. We're going to want that to be breaking above the candles. Now, we've had a nice impulse up. We had the gray rabbit gone line turned bullish, but now it has turned bearish. So right now, I really don't see a trend in this market on this time frame. But I do see that we're getting a lower high here. And we also have two inside bars forming here, which could mean that this is a possible sign of reversal back up to the bullish direction. Now, in terms of stochastic and LTI, we have a gold cross here in the oversold area. So that's a good sign. And we also have the LTI bullish, which looks like it might be going on an N wave up. Excuse me. Now, let's take a look real quick. Let me turn my drawings on. So, in terms of time cycles, by December 2024, time will be balanced, price and time will be balanced on this chart. And so between now and December, I'm expecting this support to hold, and I'm expecting momentum to be gathering back up in the bullish direction. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart for some more details. Okay, guys, now on the weekly chart, we have 3 out of the 3 bearish Ichimoku trend signals. So we had a death cross, we have the Chico span below the candles, and we had price break through this thick white line in the Kumo Cloud, Senko span B, and that shows us now that we have a bear trend on this time frame. We've got a good amount of steam in this cloud, so this is a pretty significant bear trend. However, what I did see here is that from this bottoming structure here, we have formed a lower high technically. So if we can hold this level here, which is the $31.91 level, if price can stay above that, that's going to be a very good sign for this continuation up. And you can see that we've fallen back from the 1-to-1 gun angle all the way back to the 8-to-1 angle. So overall, this market has corrected quite significantly, and I really can't say that this is a bull trend yet on this time frame either. Now, on the stochastic, we're about to get a gold cross. On the LTI, we're about to get bullish, this to turn white and become bullish. So we have some positive things happening too. It looks like we do have a double bottom here as well, if you look at these candles. So we've got this candle here, a reversal, and then another wick here, which is pretty clean at this level, around the $33 level. So if that's a double bottom and it holds, we can expect this to be an N wave up. And if my thesis plays out correctly, our first targets would be 169 and 249 on this breakout. So that's what I've got, guys. And just in terms of fundamental news, let's move into that real quick. Okay, guys, so this is just an article I found from dailycoin.com. The headline is How BSV Beats BTC. Craig Wright resurfaces on X. Craig Wright returns to social media after his Satoshi claim falters, promoting BSV as the genuine Bitcoin. Now, I'm not going to read through this, but what I wanted to point out on this article was that Craig Wright has apparently appealed the result of the COPA case. So back in the spring, we talked about the ongoing case, Wright versus COPA, and it appears that Wright has challenged the outcome of that case and has decided to appeal. So that's pretty big news for BSV. I'm going to leave the article in the description box below if anyone wants to read into it further. But yeah, basically it's just talking about how Craig Wright has resurfaced on Twitter under this handle, @CS Tominaga. So check out his Twitter. He has some pretty interesting insights. But this overall I thought was positive fundamental news for BSV in terms of giving him the possible chance to win on appeal, which we have seen before in the past. So keep that in mind. But overall, guys, the chart is always going to give us the closest thing to reality. But I do like to check in on these news stories every once in a while, just to gather some extra evidence. So guys, thank you so much for liking and subscribing. If you want to learn more about trading, feel free to join my Discord community. I have a link in the box below. And thank you all for liking and subscribing. Until next month, peace.